Okay guys, I've got it. Look there. I'm going to move the rheostat. The wire jump off. I'm moving the rheostat up and down. And it works. Like this. That's when the meter go up and down. So I will explain to you now what I've done. Hello my friends. Okay, I want to show you quickly what I've done. See this wire? This is the output from the field coils. So I put this on the one side of the rheostat, and then obviously it goes through to that point depending on where the rheostat wiper is, and then it go out, and that go to the input of the armature, one side. Okay, so that's one circle, and then I've got 2 points more. This one is the other side of the field coils, and this is the other side of the armature. So this gives me my positive and negative, and depending now where the wiper is, that is what you've seen on the meter. So it works perfectly guys, but it was a trial and error. Here's my drawing of yesterday, but it was so confusing because there's 4 wires coming out, and by trial and error and measuring to determine which wires is the 2 on the brushes on the one side and the brush on the other side, and which wires is this side of the field coils and which is the other side of the field coils. So it was a little bit confusing, but I get it right at the end with the 3rd time, and it works now well. So this is exactly what I've done, actually on a new drawing, to make it just so that it match up with my thinking. After me and my brother had half an hour discussion on WhatsApp video call, so I could show him, and we could work out how the whole system work, and then we determined how the picture must look. And we came up with that one, which is basically the same as this one, although we draw the field coils here on the side, and there we put the field coils in so that we can exactly see what must go where. And when I link it all up, I made one fault between the field coils and the armature, and I've got a little bit of heat here, and I just switched that around, and then it worked. I also burned the apart from the meter, I also check it burned this LED light. So now I will put it back together and bring the volt and amp meter in the circuit as well, because it's not connected now, and then we make it permanent, and we will do some tests from there on. Okay, now I will show you what is going on with the little machine. I've got a plan there. So for now guys, this is how far I am with the lister. So I made progress, and I'm very glad for that. Okay guys, and on the little motor, my compressor which I use for the car wheels and so on, packed up, guys. Not the motor itself, but the gear. Somewhere there's a gear reduction here, or some kind of gears that operate the pump itself, the compressor, and there's something went wrong. It just started making a noise yesterday when I pump up a tire, and the motor just ran. So the motor is fine. So we're gonna open it in a short while, in the days to come, and see what packed up there. And this will be interesting to see how this compressor look. But we will. My plan is to use this motor with some kind of gear. I've got a whole box full of gears, and see if I can manage to put a gear on there and a gear on here, and probably the same gear that is currently there, and see if we can make an electric start for that one. So this is my plan, guys, but we will focus now on making the lister complete, but this will come up. And then just a quick one on the Farmall. I've got a problem there with the weight distribution on the Farmall. You know, the Farmall you sit on the right hand side, and the whole tractor with all its weight sit on basically on the left hand wheel. So it was very easy to jack it up on that side, but this side I need to come so close to the tire to jack only that tire up, that I will, if I take the wheel off, I will not get the new wheel on because it's much wider. So I have a problem with lifting the Farmall up at this stage, because even if I put the, say this is the Farmall from the rear, if I put the jack here, it will lift the whole Farmall up. So I must go up to the point, in order to lift it on the left hand side. And it's very heavy on that side, guys. So I will need probably to borrow my work. I have one of these jacks with the 2 wheels and the 2 ton, I think it's 2 ton or 3 ton or 5 ton arm to lift the tractor. That's what I plan to do on the Farmall, guys. My tools, my own jacks and tools is not capable in lifting that tractor safely. Okay, guys, see you on the next one, and we will continue with the lister. Bye bye.